teachers and my dear students. Welcome to our junior KG class. Today we will learn fun with art and craft. Art is a way of expressing our feelings. Art is not just colors. When we do art, we learn about colors, shapes. Now let's see what our tiny little stars do while doing art and craft. Now I would like to call our Mansi ma'am to teach you beautiful art and craft activity. Let's clap for her. Who wants to play with this? Susanna, you want to play with this? Okay, first tell me. What is this? What is the shape of this?
Circle.
Circle. And how many colors? Can you see colors?
Yes.
Can you name some colors?
Yes.
Tell me which color?
Red.
Which is red? Show me. Okay. Next color?
Blue.
Which is blue? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to show? Okay. Susanna knows colors, so today she is going to tell us all the colors. Okay. Blue. Which is this color? Everybody listen. Okay.
Yellow.
Very nice. Clap for Susanna. And which is this color?
Green.
Again very nice. See kids, she knows everything. Okay, even you should know. So today we are going to play with colors.
The origami paper. Okay, Shobha?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the shape of the paper? What is the shape of the paper? It is a
Triangle.
No, Shobha, it is a square. What is this?
Square.
Yes, this is a square. What is the color of the paper?
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. Very good. Now show me your paper. Yes, what is your color?
Green.
Yes, green color. Very good. So today we are going to make a dog. You are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
How does a dog make sound?
Book, book.
Yes, bow, bow, bow. Very good. So we will make a dog. Now hold a paper in a diamond shape like this. This is a diamond. What is this? This is a diamond.
Diamond.
Yes, hold both the corners of the paper like this. Show me. Show me your paper. How did you hold? Yes, very good. Now you have to touch both the corners like this. Yes, slowly, slowly. Yes, slowly we have to fold both the corners. Yes, your triangle is ready. Yes?
Yes.
Show me your triangle.
Yes.
Yes, my triangle is ready. Okay, this is a triangle. What is this?
This is a triangle.
Yes, what is the color of the triangle?
Yellow.
Yellow. And yours?
Green.
Okay, now we will make yours. You can see yours.
Yes.
Show me your ears. Where is your ears? Yes,
Mine.
this is your ears.
Yes.
Now we will make dog's ears. Okay? So hold the triangle upside down like this. Hold your triangle upside down. Yes, like this we have to hold it. From both the corners. From both the corners. Here you have to hold here. Very good. Now hold it like this and fold the one side of the triangle like this. Slowly, and a small fold we have to do. A small fold. Wait, wait, wait. Not like this, Shobha. No, no, no. Hold it like this and fold here. Okay. Take a small fold. Yes,
Yeah.
very good. Now we are going to do a second fold. Hold it here. Yes, and fold it inside. A small fold. Yes, wait, I will show you. Wait. Hold it like this and slowly down. Yes, yes, very good. Your dog face is ready. Yes?
Yes.
Show me your dog. See, my dog also is ready. Your dog is ready?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will hold the bottom of the paper. Hold it here. Hold the bottom paper. Yes, wait. Now fold it inside. Make a small triangle inside like this. Make a small triangle. No, no, like this, no. Make a small, hold it here. Yes, now we have to fold a Small triangle. You have to make a small triangle. Yes, very good. Now open one side of the triangle like this. Open one part to make tongue. Yes, very good. Now my dog is ready. My dog face is ready. Yes, show me your dog. Yes, very good. Very nice. Now we will make eyes, nose, smile and tongue. Show me your eyes. Where is your eyes? Yes, your eyes. We will make dog's eyes. So take a sketch pen. Take a sketch pen. Okay. Give me. First we will make a small circle here. Small circle. Like this. Okay?
Okay.
Make a small circle.